Quarter note looks like this. It's filled in, and it's got a stem. Yo, what is going on? We are going to learn how to play Rhythm Song Scribe. So before we get started, let's just learn a little bit about how we use the notes. We're going to learn about quarter notes, eighth notes, half notes, whole notes. We might even check out a quarter rest and some 16th notes for the advanced students. So first, let's put on a backing track. Cool. Just so we could set a pulse. And we're going to start with quarter note. Quarter note looks like this. It's filled in, and it's got a stem, just like that. So, when we look at a quarter note, we can count it like this. Quarter, 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 quarter. It gets one beat per measure. So let me write out 4 just so we could see what that looks like and hear what it sounds like. 1, 2, check it out now. Quarter, 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 quarter. Nice. So that is how it's said. But how would it sound on a guitar? Let's try it out. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Quarter, 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 quarter. Now this time I'm not even going to say it. Ready? Here we go. Cool. Nice. We got that. No problemo. Now, let's speed it up a little bit. Can we make it faster? So we won't get into eighth notes a little bit later, but it'll be easier for me to draw. This is what an eighth note looks like. It's actually a pair of eighth notes. These are 2 eighth notes, but we're going to keep them together for now. All right, so we have eighth notes. Let's just put those together. So we've actually got, which side should I go on? Hopefully you guys can see this. I'll make this one a little bit smaller. So we've got 8 eighth notes there. We have 4 pairs of eighth notes, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So anyway, for eighth note, the way we say it is eighth note, 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 eighth note. Cool? Let's hear it strummed. 1, 2, ready, check it out. Eighth note, 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 eighth note. Cool? This time just strummed. 1, 2, ready, check it out. Nice. All right, let's keep going. So we've got our eighth notes. That one's a little bit faster than the quarter note, right? Moves a little bit quicker. What about something slower? We're gonna do our half note. Ready? Check this out. A half note. It's like a quarter note, but it's not filled in. Right? So that's a half note. Let's just see what 2 half notes sound like. And when we say half note, we're gonna say it just like that. Ready? Just like this. Half note, half note, half note, half note. This time with a guitar. Here we go. Half note, half note, half note, half note. Got it? Cool, let's keep on going. Next, we've got our whole note. Our whole note's even longer. We hold it out even longer. And the big old circle. It's actually an oval, right? So our whole note, when we say whole note, counts for 4 beats. So we're gonna say whole note, hold it. Right? Half note was 2 beats. Half note. Whole note is whole note, hold it. Let's try it with the beat. Ready? Whole note, hold whole note. Hold it. Now let's hear it with the guitar. Ready? Here we go. Whole note. Hold it. Whole note. Hold it. Whole note. Hold it. This time, no speaking. Ready? Here we go. Nice. All right, let's keep going. So, we've done some notes. Let's try, we go even quicker. We try some 16th notes. This is for some of my more advanced students, because this one really, really moves. Check this out. So it's in a group of 4. It's gonna have a double line in it, okay? Now these can exist on their own, but for now, we're gonna keep them all together in a group of 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the way we're gonna count it is we're gonna say 1 E-anda, okay? Got 1 E-anda, 1 E-anda, 1 E-anda. And we're gonna keep on going. We can say 1 E-anda, 2 E-anda. Ready? So let's hear what it sounds like with the beat. Here we go. 1 E-anda, 2 E-anda, 3 E-anda, 4 E-anda, 1 E-anda, 2 E-anda, 3 E-anda, 4 E-anda. That's like super quick, right? Let's see what it sounds like with the guitar. 1, 2, ready, check it out. One E-anda, 2 E-anda, 3 E-anda, 4 E-anda, 1 E-anda, 2 E-anda, 3 E-anda, 4 E-anda. Nice. All right, now let's do one more thing. We're gonna check out a quarter rest. So, I'm not the best at drawing these, so I had to look it up. You guys ready for this? I always screw it up. I make it look like a 3. This is what a quarter rest looks like. That way, that way, that way, and then this. Yes, it's like a weird 3 looking figure. So this means that you're gonna rest for a quarter note. So instead of putting a quarter there, you're not gonna play. Cool? So let's just see what it looks like in context real quick. What if we had a quarter note, a quarter rest, it's supposed to be together, and then 2 more quarter notes. Let's just see what that would sound like, okay? Okay. 1, 2, ready, check it out. Quarter, rest, quarter, 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 rest, quarter, 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 quarter. So we just don't make a sound. Shh, you gotta be quiet for those quarter rests. So now let's try it with the guitar. 1, 2, ready, check it out. Quarter, rest, quarter, 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 rest, quarter, 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 rest, quarter, 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 rest, quarter, quarter. Nice. All right, so those are most of the notes that we're gonna be using in Rhythm Song Scribe. That's your explanation. Now let's dive into some levels. Are you guys ready?